What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to share what you're listening to on Spotify with your followers by posting it directly to your Instagram story, complete with a Play on Spotify link. To begin, open the Spotify app on your phone. Find the song you want to share. You can search for any artist, album or playlist. Once you have the song open and it's playing, look at the bottom right corner of the screen where you will see the Share option. Tap on it. When you tap Share, a menu will pop up with different options for sharing the song. Select Instagram Stories from the list, and Spotify will automatically redirect you to Instagram, creating a story post featuring the song. Here, you will see the album cover as the background, along with some cool auto-generated artwork related to the song if available. If you want to personalize this further and add your own photo or video, you can cover up the Spotify background. To do this, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, then select the Photos option from your sticker options. Here, choose the photo or video from your camera roll that you want to use as your background. Once selected, enlarge the image by pinching and zooming to cover the entire background. This way, your chosen photo or video will be the primary visual on your story, while the album art and auto-generated Spotify background are hidden. When done, tap Share at the bottom right, and your story will be published. Now, when viewers see your story, they'll notice a Play on Spotify button in the top left corner. This button allows your followers to instantly open Spotify and listen to the exact song you shared, making it easy and interactive. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.